Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley at sprinkledwithglitter.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am bringing you along for a little unboxing of the brand new Stampwheel 2.0 from Altenew. The original Stampwheel was a fabulous stamping platform, and now Altenew has made some improvements. You can see that this Stampwheel 2.0 comes in this gorgeous box. It feels like luxury. I love the design on the top. And that gold detail on the bottom is just absolutely beautiful. I think it just speaks so much to a product when it comes packaged nicely, and I really did enjoy the packaging for this new Stampwheel. Now inside there's a little foam protective cover that I removed, and inside the box you will find not only the Stampwheel 2.0 Ultra Sticky Matte Grid, but the flip plate as well as what is called the stage, and that's basically the base of the Stampwheel. The new Stampwheel 2.0 Ultra Sticky Matte Grid is now 9 by 9. The previous one measured 7.5 by 7.5, so you're getting much more stamped area, and this comes with the radial flip plate. The grid flip plate is available separately. To set up your Stampwheel, you're going to want to remove the Ultra Sticky Grip Mat from its packaging and remove the protective covers from both sides. And then you will place this Ultra Sticky Grip Mat, which is kind of the key factor of the Stampwheel, inside of the stage. And I place this with the grid side down. So you can see I'm just putting the corners into the bottom portion of the Stampwheel 2.0 stage and then just kind of laying it down. Now that stays inside of there, and it will hold all of my paper and stencils in place as I do my stamping. This Ultra Sticky Grid Mat is made from photopolymer, so it's going to last you a long time, and you can clean it with a gentle stamp cleaner to kind of renew its stickiness. Now on the bottom of the stage, you'll find these little feet here. This helps kind of give you some traction on your work surface. It sticks really well to my glass mat. And new on the new Stampwheel 2.0 is this removable barrier on the right-hand side. Now that's going to allow you to place a full sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper in there, and you can use this Stampwheel to stamp larger stamps like this Bouquet of Poppies stamp set here. It's going to fit within the stage of this new Stampwheel 2.0, so I think this is a great improvement. Now this magnets right back into place, so if you don't want that bumper removed, you just simply place it back. Now in order to prepare your flip plate for use, you want to make sure that you remove the little protective film that's over the top that prevents it from getting scratched in shipping. And then once that's removed, you will be able to see through it very clearly. If it's looking a little foggy, that means you still have that clear film on there. Now I wanted to show you the original Stampwheel in comparison to the new Stampwheel 2.0. You can see it is a little bit smaller. It doesn't have the new inch guidelines along the side barriers as well as that removable barrier. The stamp area in this Stampwheel, original Stampwheel, is about 7.5 by 7.5 inches. So the Stampwheel 2.0 is significantly larger than the original Stampwheel, and I love the improvements that they've made to the gold on that stage as well. One more thing I want to mention, because these Stampwheels are two different sizes, the accessories for the original Stampwheel are not compatible with the brand new Stampwheel 2.0. So you cannot use the sticky mats and the flip plates from the original Stampwheel with the new Stampwheel 2.0. So there you have it, an unboxing of the brand new Stampwheel 2.0 from Altenew. If you want more information on this product, be sure to head on over to my blog post. I will have that linked in the YouTube description below. Also, follow me over on Instagram. Over there, I am celebrating this new tools release in an Instagram hop, so there's lots of inspiration and prizes to be had. Thanks for joining me today. I'd love to answer your questions in the comments below, so be sure to drop any questions you may have there, and check the YouTube description below for links. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.